yeah, this is the new plugin. So I've just called it Traffic Plugin as a temporary name, and I've just used the WP Social Traffic logo. So basically, you've got to think of this as WP Social Traffic 2, but you'll see I've changed quite a lot in how it looks. So we can give it a brand new name if you want to. I think maybe that's a good idea. Basically, it kind of works in exactly this. The Facebook stuff kind of works in exactly the same way as WP Social Traffic 1. But I've also added Reddit, which I haven't enabled in this example. This is just a proof example site. I haven't got Reddit enabled here, but I've enabled the Twitter. So yeah, it just works in the same way. You set up your apps on Facebook, Reddit, Twitter. You select which Facebook page you want to use. You select the ID of the Twitter site you want to use, and then you just click save. Then we set up your cron jobs. So the first thing we do is we go to the promote page here, and you can see that unlike WP Social Traffic 1, in this new one, we've got all the posts and pages listed here that you can get traffic to. This is all the posts and pages on your website, and then all you need to do to get traffic. So I've just created this brand new post here. Just have a look at it. Just have a look here. So you can see I've created this brand new post on my WWE rumors. So it's on this site that I've set up as a sort of a proof site. And say I want to get some traffic to this new post. All I would need to do is just type in some keywords about what this post relates to. So I'm going to just put in WWE, and I'm going to put in wrestling. And then I just click save. So you can see it's come up here as it's being saved. And now all I need to do is I just flick a switch here that says get traffic. So when I flick this, there's some processing that goes on. You can see this turns red while the processing's happened. So what it's doing is, first of all, it's checking that these keywords are generic enough. That is, that you will actually be able to get some traffic from these keywords, because if they were too specific, they couldn't find things to promote, then it would come up with an error message. And then it's also gone and created a Facebook post and a Twitter post for you on your Facebook fan page that you selected earlier, and on your Twitter account. And if you had also enabled Reddit, it would create a Reddit post on your subreddit too. So you see it popped up with a message there just before, you might have missed it, saying Facebook post created and getting traffic for you now, and Twitter post created and getting traffic for you now. And you can see this is now turned on, so it's now getting you traffic to this post. And if we go to the log, you'll see that the Facebook post has been created and the Twitter post has been created. So we can view these here. So let's create this post here on my WWE Rumors fan page. And you can see it's created this Twitter post here on my WWE Rumors Twitter feed. And the way it works is that each day the plugin works automatically getting traffic to a new post. So if we got that has been marked as get traffic on. So each day it gets traffic to a new post, and it rotates through all the posts that you've got to get traffic to a different post each day. So each day is dedicated to a brand new post. And so basically the way it works is that once the posts have been created, it then does actions on Twitter and Facebook to get people who are interested in your keywords to view your Twitter account or Facebook account. So, for example, we'll see here that it has liked, followed this guy here, 118 Dalal, who the plugin has identified as being interested in wrestling. So if we go to our Twitter account here, you'll see that it's created this post with the hashtags, and we've got our image in here, and so that 118 Dalal guy, he's interested in wrestling and WWE. So when he sees that his account has been liked and followed by us, he comes here, clicks on us, WWE Rumors, sees this post here, which is all about stuff that he's interested in, and then he clicks through to our blog, and that's how it gets traffic. And so it will like this guy, and it's followed this guy, and he's interested in WWE, and he's interested in wrestling. So when he sees us being liked and followed, and then goes to my Twitter account, and then sees that the latest post on there was related to something that he's really interested in, he's pretty likely to follow, and he's pretty likely to click through. So that's how it works. It's basically just sort of creating a post, then going out and interacting with people like Tweet Machine does, and then when they jump onto your Twitter account, they see that the very last post created was something they're really interested in, so then they go and click through to go to your blog, and that's how you get the traffic. And then the same thing works with Facebook. So if we go here, if we go to my Rumors page here, you'll see that, so again, it's created this post. It's created this post, and then it does, if we go back, it's been doing Twitter actions. Yes, sorry, I had Facebook disabled for a little bit, so it's just been doing Twitter actions for a while. If we go back, we should find some. There we go. So it's been doing Facebook comments, and in the same way as Fan Machine, it does comments related to the keywords of whichever post you just posted. So again, they work in the same way. People on fan pages will see comments posted by WWE Rumors. They'll see their posts being liked. They'll see them being their comments being replied to, and then they click through to the fan page here, and then they see that the latest post is something they're really interested in. So then they click onto the post, and then they go through to the fan page. They go through to the blog, and that's how it gets the traffic. So yeah, just to reiterate, the basic idea here is it creates posts on Facebook and on Twitter, and then it interacts with people to send them to your fan page or to your Twitter account. They see that the latest post created is something they're interested in, so they click through to your blog. In terms of the Reddit interaction, basically it's pretty much straight syndication. So you create your own subreddit, and then it will automatically create the post on your subreddit for you. But it's kind of used a bit more complex than that, because that post is then promoted, the Reddit post, through Facebook comments. So it's not just promoting your fan page in Facebook, it's also promoting your Reddit post occasionally. And it's all mixed up so that it's not, spamming the same things over and over. Okay, so that's basically it. That's basically how the basic version works. I have done some extra features for a pro version, so I'll see what you think of that. So if we just go to the promote screen here, and then we'll have a look at this one. So as well as the basic versions, we've also got these previewers that I've set up, and I thought this might make a good pro version feature. So you can customize exactly how your Reddit post is going to appear on your subreddit. So you can change this, you can change that. You can put custom image, custom title, etc., etc. And then you can do the same with Twitter. So you can customize how your Twitter post is going to appear. So you can put your own custom image for the card. custom title, custom description, and yeah, that's basically how it works. Forgot to mention, good point while I'm here, is when it's posting something in Twitter, it uses your whatever your keywords that you added on the promote screen. So whatever your keywords were here, it posts them as hashtags, which again is just like another way of getting traffic and getting people interested on your Twitter post. And then finally, if we go down, we can also customize how your Facebook post is going to appear. So yeah, that's basically it. It's quite a simple concept here, but I think it's a pretty easy selling proposition. We sell this as the ultimate easy solution to getting traffic to your Facebook posts. All your posts and pages that you can get traffic to are listed here. All you need to do to get traffic is enter some keywords and then flick a switch. That's basically the proposition. So it does do comments, but that's handled all in the background. I don't want the customer to be able to edit the comments, because actually I think that causes more trouble than it's worth. So it's all hidden in the background. There's everything for them, no problems. In terms of proof, obviously I've been moving house, so it's been difficult to get lots and lots of proof, but I have done some which we can use. So if we go down here, so you can see that started this on the 14th of August with 0, and then I ran it for just one day just to make sure it would actually, get traffic without, for real. And I got 52 on the first day, so I think that's pretty good. And then after that, I just bought some extra traffic just to bump these numbers up a bit, so it looks better for our sales page. So you can see that we've gone from 0 to 5, just over 550 in a week, I think, is that? Yeah, in a week. 6 days. So yeah, I'm going to continue growing this. So I guess while you're putting the rest of the stuff together, or making any changes, we can continue growing this to like over 1,000 a day. I think that for our internal launch, that will be fine. That we can use it perhaps alongside, if we go to this WP social traffic page here. So I think we can basically just reuse most of the copy from WP social traffic, because this is kind of just, WP social traffic 2 really. I don't know whether you want to call it that or we want a different name. But I reckon we can just reuse these as well. There's nothing on here to say where it's from or what date it was or anything like that. So I reckon we can just reuse these screenshots. Yeah, so I reckon we could probably just use this one, or I'll visit the actual Google Analytics and get the better quality screenshot and use this one in combination with these two as proof for our internal launch, and I think that'll be absolutely fine. So we can get going with this pretty quickly, just reusing the same copy, just with a few changes, obviously. And yeah, I think that's about it. So I guess whilst my plan was that we're in the period that we have waiting between our internal launch and the main launch, I could run a few more, another couple of sites like this. So we could have 3 brand new proofs for 3 different websites showing 0 to however 100 daily visitors. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, let me know what you think. The one thing I did think is that maybe you might want to have everything I've shown you here just as the front end. So you might want to have, if you think that this is too simple to sell as a front end, I'm not sure it is. I think the simplicity is a selling point. But if you wanted to have this preview stuff in the front end as well, I guess we could do that, and we could come up with some different things to do for the pro version. But yeah, just let me know.